Hey guys, this is Sup. I am Sammy, and this is a knife skills video. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cut this bad boy right here. It's perfect for the summer and 4th of July. This is a watermelon, obviously, if you didn't know already. And this is really hard for people to cut. I'm just going to make it easier right here, right now. I'm just slicing it all the way through. Be careful of your hands. I'm just taking it out repeatedly and seeing where I need to cut. Voila. So I'm going to take this side of the watermelon, and I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to cut the end off right here. Now I have both ends off. Now watch this. I'm going to shave it down as so. Shaving it down like this and just taking the outer layer off. And you can do this with all kinds of melons. You can do it with honeydew, watermelon, what's the orange one? Cantaloupe. It's very easy. Look, I'm just shaving it off. And please, before you do this, hone your knife with a knife honer. You know those things where you go, please do that. You do not want to cut a watermelon with a dull knife. Now I have the outer layer out. I'm just gonna take the white layer off because the white layer is very bitter. Now I'm gonna cut this end off, this end off. So now we have ends. Now I'm just gonna cut it about an inch thick down the whole way. I'm gonna take this, another inch, 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 and excess piece for the person who's cutting it. Inch and inch. We have nice cubes. I'm gonna put this on our display board, display table, or plate, indoor plate. So you might want to cut a different way for holding it in your hand. The only hard part about watermelon is just it has a little bit of tough rind, and once you get past that, it's cutting like butter. We're basically doing the exact same thing as we did with the cubes, except for we're not taking the rind off. So we're just gonna cut it in a 1 inch thick, or thicker if you want. There you go. And once you get past the rind, you're all good. There you go. You can eat it like this. Right now, we're gonna cut this segment in half, and then we have our wedge. The best part about eating watermelon is sharing with your family. Oh, there's Sarah. Let's eat it.
To get recipes, go to our website, supkidscooking.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sup Kids Cooking.
This is a foreshadow. Have this at your 4th of July parties.
Bye!